is for Daniel derailed on a train. E is for Eric who's buried alive. F is for Frank who was stabbed through the eye. G is for Greg who died in the womb. H is for Heather who was sealed in a tomb. One by one we bite the dust, kick the bucket, begin to rust. Give up the ghost when your number's up, we all fall down. Ashes to ashes, bones to paste, you wither away in your resting place. Eternity in a wooden case, we all fall down. I is for Isaac who lost his front brakes. J is for Johnny who was bitten by snakes. K is for Kenny who was shot in the head. L is for Larry who bled and bled. X is for Marie who was burned to a crisp. N is for Nick who was pummeled by fist. O is for Olive who lived like too fast. P is for Pat who swallowed some glass. When your number's up, we all fall down. Ashes to ashes, bones to paste, you wither away in your resting place. Eternity in a wooden case, we all fall down. Q is for Quentin who took the wrong trail. R is for Rita who rotted in jail. S is for Steve who was shot with a bow. T is for Tori who froze in the snow. U is for York who's trampled by hooves. V is for Vanessa who fell off a roof. W is for Will who was hit by a car. X is for Xavier who sunk in the tar. Y is for Jesse who fell from a plane. Z is for Zach who simply went insane.